Alrighty, our next young man is ready to go. New MVC. There you go.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you for paying attention to me here for a few minutes. Tell you about New MVC. It's the Intelligent Content Platform. And what we're doing is we're taking what's traditionally been siloed as a website control mechanism or a place to manage all your documents, and we're actually connecting all of your digital channels, whether it's social, advertising networks, social media, applications of mobile or web, and as well as email and document storage. So anything with an API we connect into our content repository, so you can create content one time and publish it to all those locations with context-sensitive content. So what context-sensitive means is our system picks up who the person is, where they're at, what device and what application they're using to receive the information you're trying to give to them, and automatically formats, builds, and delivers that in real time. So marketers are having a really tough time keeping up with digital content. Basically with all the abundance of media channels, they spend a lot of time managing each of those channels one for one and publishing content to each of those. Even as far as inefficiencies in the process, 28 hours per week per employee is actually wasted just finding the right information in their repositories to send to the right people or to the right channel. Additionally, 77% of companies don't even know what their true digital marketing reach is. So with our system, because it publishes from a central repository, we're able to tell you who, how, and where all of the views on each piece of your content is coming from. So I'm going to show you a quick demo here of the system, and this is our canonical use case. So this is a component-based content system. So you see the logo here is on every document, every web placement we've ever created. It's on the CMS itself here. So typically, if we wanted to rebrand and change our logo across all our documents and web placements, we'd have to go into each document, each web location by itself, and physically take those out. With our system, what we're doing here is we're going to version the logo asset, change it to the new MVC logo, and it'll automatically resize and populate for the right placement, and it remembers everywhere it's ever been, so it changes that logo out automatically. It can also do that on a context-sensitive basis, so if you want to version A, version B test your logo, you can send version A to people that are viewing your content in California, version B to New York, and you can see how many views and how much conversion you're actually getting on that piece of content. So that can be done not only for your logo, but on every piece of your content there. Oh, we're not done. So as it kind of affects the change, you see the logo change there. We'll refresh the document. Every page there, it's changed. And it activates a Facebook post to let everybody know that we changed our logo. So it works off a system of triggers and events so that if we change our logo, we can have multiple actions actually tied to what happens. So. And this problem of managing content all over the place is really only going to get worse for marketers as digital takes up more of their budgets. And it's increasing faster the more devices and people online actually pay attention to it. So we're here to automate multi-channel marketing publishing so that you can personalize all of your content and documents for the person, place, and device that's receiving the content. At the same time, it tracks your impressions, and you can tie in your e-commerce and ERP and any other sales data platform into our system so that you can get a true view of what content is bringing ROI to your marketing. So we are a friend of the marketer. We improve the productivity of their staff because they have less channels to manage. We improve their margins because they have less overhead. And at the end of the day, they've got better data to market better.